Oh, hello everyone. I was busy writing a diary note. I'm sure you must have also had this moment where you write a diary note to yourself or have kept a diary in your life, right? Yes. Today's topic is related to that. Today's topic is called Positivity Journal. I'll be talking about what a positivity journal is. What is a journal? What is a positivity journal? How does it work? Why is it important? And how you can include it in your daily life. Journal literally means a personal record of your meetings, of your emotions and everything else in your day-to-day life. Coming to what does a positivity journal is, it is just like your any other journal, everyday journal like a diary, but the only difference is you record all your positive emotions in that. Now, coming to the point, how does it work? Positivity journal, as the name suggests, that it works on your positive emotions and it helps you to combat your negative emotions and have an optimistic life and mind. Also, it acts like your personal memorandum of events where you can actually check on for yourself where you were wrong, and it is like a self-care exercise where you can check your daily events, check up on yourself, and you can make a correction about where you were wrong. In one of my previous videos, I have said that your thoughts have the power to create. So, like if you think everything good and then pen down your thoughts, it will work in a really amazing way. You have no idea about that. So, it is important in that way because it will help you to be more optimistic, more positive, and have a clear, focused mind. Now, I have talked about why is it important and how does it work. Now, coming to the point where how you can include it in your everyday life. Now, I have a journal like this for myself. I will continue writing my thoughts, my positive thoughts in this journal, but you can actually take an old notebook or buy a new one. It is always advisable to buy a new one because as it is said, new leaf, new you. So yeah, and also it is advisable that you should record your events during the night because it is during the night that you can go through yourself internally and then record it in your journal. During the night, you should disconnect yourself with everyone else and connect with yourself. Just go to your room, disconnect to your social media and everyone else, and close your eyes and just reflect on your day. Let those thoughts come as it is. Don't judge them. And then open your eyes and just write down whatever thoughts that have come or whatever day that was. Focus it, since it is a positivity journal, it is highly advisable that you should focus on the good things. But it's okay if you had a bad day, you can write about it. It will help you to release those emotions out, which is a really nice thing and a really important thing to do. And you can make this diary writing a habit. Even I used to do so, and I will continue it again. I will do so again. And you will see that you will discover a new side of yourself which you never knew about yourself. So this is it from my side in this video. I hope you found this video interesting enough and you will like it, and you will subscribe to my channel for more such videos and share this video to as many people as possible, because in times like today we should always focus more on writing a journal or reading books or something like that instead of focusing more time on the social media. So let's just disconnect with the media and connect with ourselves and know ourselves in a better way. Spread smile and stay positive. spread positivity. And I'll get back to my journal writing. I hope you all also do so, and do tell me in the comment section how you found this, how interesting is this video, and what are the topics you would like me to touch upon. Thank you so much, and happy journaling, my friends. Discover a new you.